Guys, I'm showing you this Vacu magnetic portable charger. It's a 5000 milliampere MagSafe battery pack with a foldable stand. So mini MagSafe power bank with a 20-watt USB-C battery pack. So this can be used for iPhone or any other charger that or any other thing while on travel or outdoor or anywhere. So this comes with the manual. So this is the battery pack itself, and this comes in a really nice gift box that you have already seen. So it's pretty good, and the USB-C charging, so USB-C to USB-C cable comes with it, so you can charge your USB-C devices as well, like your Android or any other outdoor portable thing. So once you charge, you can see the indicator here that will be charging the battery. So this is have the inbuilt this case, so you can just be careful that by putting these two, and then this will stay. So this is the magnetic thing in the back, and you see like the mobile is charging with the stand on, and because this is a MagSafe one, and if you put it like on the ground as well, this will start charging, and you can see the charging started. So basically you can make it on a stand position or this, or you can use it as a mobile stand. You can also use this USB-C charging to put any USB-C. So say I am just putting in my outdoor lantern or the light, so that see the charging is coming, so it's pretty handy. So you charge the other devices with this with a USB-C cable. This is power on and off button that you can see, but this is charging right now, so you can charge anything with this USB-C cable as well. So this is a pretty handy portable, MagSafe charging for anything that you want to use for, and it's pretty handy as well. You can see this just like a small case. So very useful and very handy device for charging things.